She can't see the vibrant colors of Scotch bonnet peppers, but that hasn't stopped her from mastering Jamaica's most iconic flavor. Meet the blind businesswoman who's proving that when it comes to jerk, it's all about taste, touch, and heart. Romardo Lyons has the details in The Ray of Hope.
You are your own self. Nobody can be you. You have to be you. And you have to determine to know where you want to go and where you want to stop.
The powerful words of Rosemary Johnson. And she isn't only saying them, she's living them. The woman who went blind at 15 is her own boss. She started Stan & Jay's jerk sauce right inside her home. Cutting, blending, and even pasting labels on jars. She does it all.
This June month will be 3 years since I registered with Company of Business. I also registered with Bureau of Standard and some other places.
Representatives from the Bureau of Standards visited her home. She said the agents were left with their jaws on the floor.
They are surprised to see the area which I do, and I clean my place. Because of my disability, I make sure where my area is very clean. And as I said, my children are there to assist me in all the way.
But her friend here wasn't left surprised. Instead, inspired.
Miss Johnson has always been this person always striving for success. She go and get her all her documentation to register a business that is visually impaired, and that doesn't stop her from striving towards her goal, because she always says she wants to start her own business. She wants to stay in power.
Miss Johnson says she loved being in the kitchen since she was a girl.
I remember when I was there and I was chopping the wood, the cutlass chopped me right here. So I always loved the kitchen, and I always watch my uncle wife when she's in the kitchen. Even when my cousin they're about doing their own stuff, I am there watching her go look the wood, go carry the water, grate the coconut, everything. I am there assisting.
Saying it's easy would be a lie. But she's hopeful that it will get better.
It's challenging because I'm not gonna lie to you, I really need the finance to develop it, to let it go further. So I have to go doing the liquor, using the liquor that I have to develop my business.
As she strives to make that a reality,
a lot of people said to me, they just cannot believe that I have a disability, the way how I move, the way I go about and do my stuff. But, you know, I tried my best. And what if I need assistance, my 2 children are there to assist me. Also, Miss O'Connor right here, I would call her and she will come and assist me.
She says she isn't as advanced with her education as she wanted to be. That's because schooling before it was confirmed that she had issues with her eyes was challenging. But along the way, she became sure that foods was satisfying her appetite.
When I was at school, I couldn't see the board. And my teacher used to wonder if I was doing it willfully. But I couldn't see the board, and to be honest with you, in my class, I used to have be 31. Even though I'm not dunce, but it's 31 because I could not see the board to do my work.
Ultimately, this is her message to Jamaica.
Not because you have a disability, you don't let it deter you from where you want to go. You just go as far as you want to go because the sky is the limit. And that is me.
Yes, that's her. With your Ray of Hope, I'm Romardo Lyons.